What's up? It's Goggles. This is video number 2 of me. This was Sunday with me flying with Will C, FPV, and Joe Photo Leo. They invited me out to a little park called Alexander something. I forget the name of it. It was really cool. There was a big old car show there. Like all kinds of really cool like low riders and stuff, and like had the hydraulics in them doing all this number. Bunch of cool little like custom rope like low rider bikes and shit like that. Just super cool custom cars. But we were just off in the corner flying drones, not bothering no one, just admiring some of the rides that came through. But yeah, let's go watch me rip this DVR, man. Hey, I appreciate y'all still watching. If I made it this far, awesome. Thanks, it means a lot. But yeah, big shout outs to Joe Photo Leo and Will C for being cool local dudes in the Houston area and rocking this shit. But yeah, the rest of the pilots are gonna be somewhere. I don't know where. But yeah, go check out everyone else's channel. Everyone else is flying, having a good time, and this is a super sick hobby. And just all getting in the air and flying. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll let y'all get back to y'all's awesome lives. Woo!